Guys, I'm Rayu Primahandini. Welcome to my presentation. I'm going to tell you about free sex. Now that talking about free sex is not something strange in our ear, right? And from now on, I will present about a little part about free sex. Free sex can cause many things. For example, what we want, social environment, family conditions, internet, and westernization. I will explain the 5 points about it. The first is what we watch. I mean the variety shows, like videos, movies, or cinematograms are very influencing ourselves. If we are watching the movies or video, we can imagine if I were like in this movie, if I do like in these videos, and I can imagine and I can feel what they feel also and persuade us to do like that. The second is environment. Social environment. You know guys, if we associate in the bad environment, we will become also the bad person. The next is family condition. Family condition, I mean in this point is family can shape our personality to be somebody good or somebody bad. And the next is internet. Internet, we all knew in this millennium era, we can access all information and all the things that we want to know without limitation and freely. And internet is the most effect which is very influenced in this case because through internet we can access the movies or porn video. And the last is westernization. We prefer to follow the western lifestyle or trends, habitual life drunk and free sex. And some of us think that western lifestyle is good and so upgrade, but some of them really who don't follow Western style will become so lame. And the impact of the free sex is really something and really scary. We can get the HIV virus, which is very stuck on our bodies and can make us dead. There's impact are just like disease of sex, for example, herpes genital, syphilis, and cervix cancer, and many others. So I hope you guys from now on, you be more patient, and you must filter what you watching are. Be selected interesting friends so that you cannot trap in the free sex hole. And for parents, should you more controlling your children. So that's all. Thank you for watching.